Hey, hi all. So these bars are listening to you, right? So louder you speak, higher they will go. And yes, you can build this in just 15 lines of code. Okay, so welcome back to Minimal Coder channel. Today we are creating a multi-bar audio visualizer that respond to your voice in real time using just simple JavaScript. Okay, so no experience needed, just you browse and your mic. That's it. Okay, so let's go to the editor. Okay, you can see I already opened the website. That is simple, editor.p5js.org. Okay, you can write this in the address bar and hit enter. So let me refresh it. Okay, after you refreshing, you can see this piece of code. Okay, just simply delete it. Now let's start step by step. So let's break it down. First, we set up the mic and the canvas. So simply write let mic bands uh, should be 20. Then function setup. It should set up the mic and also it should create the canvas black color. So create canvas, give the section of area. Okay, then mic equals to new p5 dot audio in mic dot start. Okay, and colors, right? So color mode should be HSB. Okay, very good. So our mics setup, if I run it, you can see mics are working. Okay, let's stop it. Now go to the further codes. So now the magic. Draw the birds using .mic .get level, right? It will just get the voice level of yours and it will create those bars. So let's write the another function. Function draw. Okay, I think name is fine, and we can start writing how the background will be and how it will look. Okay, let's start with background will be 0 comma 30. Okay, then let volume equals to mic dot get level. Let max height equals to map wall comma 0 comma 1 uh, 0 and then height, right? Okay, now we need to do basically a loop, right? For each bar we have to loop it. So let's take a for loop. Let I equals to 0, I less than bands I plus plus curly braces open. Let h equals to max height into noise I multiplied by 3. Frame count. Frame count should be 0, 5. Correct. Enter. Now we need to fill it. I multiple by 12. It should be mod by, correct, 255, and let x equals to map. It should be I 0 bands 50, and then it should be width as 50, and it should be react to x height minus h 15 bars and h. Okay, I think we have done now. Let me run it. So it's saying there is some issue. What is the issue? Reference val is not defined. Okay, what is the issue there? In line number 12. Okay, it should be volume, not val. We took volume here, right? Sorry. So I think it's running. Now you see the magic. How how loud I will speak, it will generate like that way, right? So it's cool, na? Place where AI meets your daily life in the smartest way possible. If you've only used ChatGPT to ask random questions or write poems, trust me, you've barely scratched the surface. Today, I'm going to share mind-blowing uses of ChatGPT that can boost your studies. So how cool it is, right? That's it. It's a real-time audio visualer that reacts to your voice with colorful bars, right? These bars dance like a DJ setup, right? Okay, so you can try with this music and voiceover streaming layouts. And if you can try something new, please let me know. Or if you need anything more exciting like this, stay tuned with our channel. Do subscribe and like and share. Thank you.